Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Some combinations just work. Soft firm poi and a lightly crisp chicken cutlet. This recipe is comforting, satisfying and simple with shallow fried chicken and poi that holds it all together. To prepare the masala, in a mixer jar add 4 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger peeled and chopped, few cloves of garlic, 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, 6 black peppercorns, 8 cloves, half onion chopped, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves washed, 1 and 1/4 tablespoon of goan vinegar, little tamarind soaked in water, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind into a fine paste. Wash 500 grams of boneless chicken. Tenderize the chicken slices using a meat hammer. Be careful, do not tear the chicken slices. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. To the chicken slices, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of the ground masala, mix the chicken slices well with these ingredients. Keep aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. In a plate, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, beat well. Dip the chicken slices in the beaten egg. Coat both the sides with semolina while pressing. To shallow fry the chicken cutlets, place a pan on medium flame, heat oil in it. Place the chicken cutlets. Fry the chicken cutlets in batches, do not overcrowd the pan. Once the chicken cutlets are fried, switch off the flame. Slice the poees in halves. I'm applying butter to the poees. If you want, you can skip it. Then apply tomato sauce. Don't completely separate both the portions of the poee. Place the chicken cutlet. Apply tomato sauce. Some onion slices. Cut capsicum. Cut tomato. Grated cabbage. Tomato sauce. And it's ready. It's one of those meals that feels right when you want something homemade, filling and flavorful. It is mostly eaten as an evening snack. It's one of those recipes that you don't need a reason to make. Just a little preparation and it comes together beautifully. One bite and you'll know why it's worth making again. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.